Hi everybody, Kelly Jacobs here. I'm the head of customer experience and conversion at Iceberg Digital, and today we're going to talk about the completion tool. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, the completion tool allows you to send your new property owners on a nurture journey. And in order to do so, you simply need to change the status. You're able to change the status anywhere you see this little box with the two arrows on it. So whether that be in the property profile where the market appraisal is, in the contact profile under related market appraisals or related MAs, or on the list of properties, you're able to bring up and change a status. Simply click on that button and then choose completed with us. Make a note if you need to, and then choose change status. Automatically the completion tool pops up for you so you can put the new owner's information in. Once you put in the email address or mobile number, you're able to choose send congratulations email. Once you do that, the customer receives a congratulations on your property purchase email and then goes on a nurture journey for the rest of their lives. They receive an email every year wishing them a happy anniversary and advising them to reach out to you if they want the value of their home. I'm going to show you next how to edit the email template so that you can send out exactly what you want to your potential vendors. So in order to make an edit to your email templates, you'll come down to Marketing and Autopilot, go to Email Templates, and then you can search for the completion follow-up. At this point, click on Edit. Here's the subject. You're able to change that. Here's the email that we're sending out. We do recommend adding a call to action at the bottom with your Contact Us page. Please remember that that will not be updated. So if you ever need to change it, let's say you change your website, then you will come into this section here and have to update that link. Now, once you've added your link, you're ready to go. And it will automatically send this out to them forever, as mentioned before. Something else to keep in mind is that you may want to send out the old ones. You do not have to click on the send email button. You can just fill out the information, and then from then on they will receive the happy anniversary message rather than the welcome message at first, so it doesn't confuse them. If you have any questions, of course, we are available. You can email me at Kelly, K-E-L-L-Y, at iceberg-digital.co.uk. Thanks. Have a great day, everybody.